Yeah, but it's also still shit.
Good. Now we're recording.
It's gonna be boring.
No, it's not. You get 360 view all the way around. And I'll probably do another version where there won't be any voices. It'll just be music, but it'll be flattened out. And this camera is a lot better than my other one. The other one, when I put this on the computer, it goes straight into the 360 format where you can scroll around. The other one that I had, you had two circles, and then you had to convert the two circles into one 360 video. It was a lot more work. This one's a lot less work. And my new camcorder has a time-lapse section on it, and I can do time-lapse without having to do a whole bunch of still time-lapse and then edit it that way. It goes right into time-lapse mode, so I can just set it on my tripod for about 10 minutes, and I've got about a 10-minute time-lapse video all done and all converted. And it has a slow motion mode. For sale.
Go for it.
Did all that. It's only 12:12.
You know this 20 minutes fast too.
So it's not even noon.
It's not even noon. No.
He was eating and everything.
Yes.
It definitely broke a world record.
Yes. Now we're going to be in Pennsylvania. See, there we are.
Gonna be what?
We're in Pennsylvania now.
Oh. Yeah, the road's worse.
Yep.
You go from a nice smooth road in Maryland to a lumpy, bumpy road in Pennsylvania. Okay. So we have a... There. Okay, what's going on here?
Well, there's another car coming the other way.
Yeah,
And there's
so
nobody
we-
directing.
Oh, this is stupid.
After he gets by, you're okay. Jeez, this is dangerous.
Oh, yeah. Good, I recorded stupidity.
In Pennsylvania.
Yeah, Pennsylvania's stupid, so I'll end on that.
Uh-huh.